vitamins are generally biogenic amines, and human body requires certain organic compounds to do their metabolic processes in balance, and these organic compounds are generally known as vitamins. So as a energy value, vitamins does not have any energy value in the amount of calories, and they are present in very much small amount with some coenzymes. For an example, niacin is a part of NAD, that is nicotinamide dinucleotide, and riboflavin is a part of FAD, that is flavin adenine dinucleotide, and these coenzymes are used in many of the metabolic processes. And generally vitamins cannot be obtained from a single food, so we need to change a variety of food sources to maintain the level of different vitamins. And generally fruit and vegetables are the main source of the vitamins. Generally higher amount of vitamins may also leads to a disease condition and put us in a problematic condition. For an example, if vitamin C is present in excess amount, it will lead to a kidney stone disease. If vitamin A is present in excess amount, that will lead to peeling of skin, bone as well as joints, and sometimes also leads to a liver damage. If vitamin D is present in excess amount, that will lead to diarrhea as well as kidney damage, and lower amount of vitamin may again create certain deficiency syndromes. So based on their solubility properties, vitamins are classified into water soluble as well as fat soluble vitamins. And water soluble vitamins are vitamin B complex as well as vitamin C. And vitamin B complex is a complex of 10 to 12 vitamin Bs. And these are thiamine, that is vitamin B1, riboflavin B2, cobilemin B12, niacin, pyridoxine, that is also known as B6, pantothenic acid, folic acid as well as biotin. So thiamine generally will protect body from disease, that is beriberi, and leaves, roots as well as fruits and vegetables are the rich source of thiamine. And the riboflavin, that is B2, liver, milk, green vegetables are the rich food source of riboflavin. And niacin, that is also known as nicotinic acid, and protects from pellagra as well as black colored eyes. And sources of niacin are liver, fish, meat, whole meat flour, green vegetables, and especially cow milk are the rich source of niacin. Pyridoxine, that is also known as B6. It protects our body from dermatitis, and rice bran as well as yeast are the rich source of pyridoxine. Pantothenic acid generally present in all living tissues and protects skin from dermatitis, especially our cheek parts. And then folic acid. Folic acid is present in yeast, liver as well as soybean products, and generally a lower amount of folic acid is found in the person which is suffering from anemia, so it protects us from being anemic. Then after vitamins, then after biotin is also known as vitamin H, and liver, kidney, yeast as well as cauliflower are the rich source of biotin. And then after cobilemin, it is contains a ring structure, and which contains cobalt as a center atom, and it looks red crystalline substance. So generally it absent in plant but present in all animal tissues. So the person which is non-vegetarian, there are chances that they can balance cobilemin better than the vegetarian persons. Among these complex water-soluble vitamins, niacin is the only vitamin which can be synthesized by human by their own, and rest of the vitamins they have to take from the outsources. And vitamin C, that is also known as ascorbic acid, and as a ascorbic acid, it is a strong reducing agent, and it is easily oxidized by some substances. So the sources of vitamin C are fruits, okay, obviously. And if generally vitamin C is not present in dried food materials, But if the certain type of dried food can be fermented in the absence of oxygen, then there are chances that it contains a higher amount of vitamin C products. So all the fermented products of fruits as well as dried food materials contain a rich source of vitamin C. Then after, if we overcook such kind of food materials, then it will lead to loss of vitamin C. The next is fat soluble vitamins. So as the name suggests, they are soluble in fat rather than in water. So vitamin A, D, E, K are the types of fat soluble vitamins. They dissolve in fat, and with fat they absorbed by a small intestine, and then after this amount is stored in the liver. And only vitamin D is the vitamin that is synthesized by human, and rest of the vitamin we have to taken from the out sources. And vitamin A, that is stored in liver, and alpha, beta and gamma carotene are the precursors, are the actually main precursors for the vitamin A. So these carotene molecules in the presence of water molecule are hydrolyzed and will in turn give rise to two molecules of vitamin A, and this is the chemical process. So generally young infants and children lack vitamin A in their liver. So there are chances if newborn infants they have a dry eyes, and we have to keep them wet by the use of eye drops. This is the only reason, because of the lack of the vitamin A in their liver. Then after vitamin D, deficiency of vitamin D is the main reason for the utilization of certain major elements like calcium as well as phosphorus, and that will lead to a rickets disease. And it forms of the vitamin D are D1, D2 as well as D3, and vitamin D2 is also known as calciferol, and vitamin D3 is also known as cholecalciferol. And generally fish liver oil as well as egg yolk are the rich source of vitamin D3. And then vitamin E, that is also known as tocopherol, seed oil, wheat as well as germs are the rich source of vitamin E, and it prevents oxidation of highly unsaturated fatty acids especially in the presence of molecular oxygen. So vitamin K, it prevents body from other hemorrhagic damage. So these are certain summary of certain vitamins and its deficiency syndrome. Thiamine, that is also known as B1 deficiency, will lead to a beriberi. Pyridoxine, that is B6 deficiency, will lead to dermatitis. Niacin deficiency will lead to pellagra. Vitamin K deficiency will lead to hemorrhagic damage. Vitamin A deficiency will lead to infection, especially in eye. And vitamin D deficiency will lead to rickets disease, rachitis disease syndrome. Thank you.